Look at the camera. What is it?
It's a wobble lamp.
Alright, open it. Be easy with it. Don't break the bulb. Wow. Cool, huh? What's that? Instructions? Oh, well, will be easy. There's a light bulb in there. Okay. I'll take the other little piece out. That's got the light bulb inside.
Hobby paper, my favorite. See, I like that.
You like the popping tape?
Yeah, hobby tape is amazing.
It's called bubble wrap. Oh, don't break the light bulb, Noah. It's broken if the light bulb's broken. Alright. Now get the light bulb and screw it into there.
Then
no,
I want.
Get the light bulb, screw it into this.
I can do anything. Poppy.
Gotta go the other way, Noah. You still playing with that bubble wrap?
I like it. I like it. That's always garbage, but it isn't. Okay.
There you go. Now what's the next step?
You put this in. You put it in.
Alrighty. And now?
The pop.
Awesome.
Then the pop.
And you keep popping your bubble wrap.
Yeah. I like it. It's super funny. Oh, I guess.
Alright, I'll go plug it in. You got a little piece you gotta take off the end right there. There you go.
Was it bigger?
Oh yeah, it's starting to get bigger now. Starting to melt.
Sandpaper. Tile.
I can't see how big it is.
It's starting to get bigger. Oh my goodness, Noah, look at this.
So we got to the top.
Yeah.
Now it's going to do now.
Oh, it's gonna bubble up in a little bit. It's finally starting to melt. Went all the way to the top. You happy?
Yeah.
How hot does it feel? Is it really hot? Oh.
Yeah.
Don't knock it over now.
It's starting to turn into a bubble or not?
Yeah, it just takes a long time.
Right there.
That's a 25 watt bulb, so it takes a long time.
Okay.
But it looks cool. Look at it how it looks all liquidy. You know what the green part's made of, don't you?
What?
Wax.
What is that?
Wax. That's what the green part's made out of.
The wax.
Wax is wax. I don't know. It's first bubble.
Yay!
Get up.
Wow, it looks cool, don't it?
Here comes the second bubble. Ooh, the hot on this.
Go look at it.
Look at some hot. Or not.
Can't stop moving, can you? You like lava lamps?
Yeah. Here comes another one. this time the big one got wet. Yeah, falling apart.
Wow.
Watch this, screwing apart. Good apart. Oh,
Noah.
it turned into a giant blobby egg. 'Cause you just
Giant Bobby egg.
yeah, cause the boat went up to make the blobby egg.
That looks cool.
And you missed it.
I ain't missed it.
Yes, yes. Huh?
Noah, look at it.